Everything ready.
What up, guys? Back with a quick little video right quick.
Because
So I want to show you guys how to get to your desktop, get to your DeX mode on your tablet, straight from the tablet. Okay, let me get out of here right quick. Alrighty. So right here we're in tablet mode. So if you take any app that you're in and you see the bar at the top of the screen, if you just take it and grab it and go down with it, it'll automatically put you into DeX mode straight on the tablet. And that way you can open up however many apps you want. All windows are customizable, resizable. You can expand them, minimize them, make them bigger, make them full screen. You can run 5 apps at a time. Without any problems. You can, blow them up. You can make them full screen. And if you want to get back to the tablet mode, just grab the app, throw it up at the top. And you're back into tablet mode. Tablet mode, your icons will be big. Desktop mode, they'll be small, just like this one. So with a swipe, you get yourself right back into tablet mode. With a swipe down, right back into desktop mode. That's how you get to your DeX on your tablet on the Galaxy Tab S11. Feel free to leave comments, and I'll get back with you guys with another video. Peace out.